We are nurses and proud to be a nurses' presence. National Florence Nightingale Nurses Awards are given as a mark of recognition for the meritorious services rendered by nursing professionals in the country. This award is presented on 12th of May every year on the occasion of the birth anniversary of Florence Nightingale. Award is given to The award consists of cash award of rupees 50,000, a certificate and a medal. Apart from the nursing personnel working in the state, central, autonomous institutions, the nursing personnel working in private, missionary, and voluntary organizations are also eligible for the National Florence Nightingale Nurses Award. Government of India invites the application or nominations from the nurses in the following three categories, namely Registered Auxiliary Nurses and Midwives 17, Registered Nurses and Midwives 30, Registered Lady Health Visitors 4. Number award may be increased coming year also. Eligible criteria: minimum 10 years of experience in the respective category. In case of extraordinary performance, age may not be a constraint. The nominations should be called from state government, central government, private institutions or missionaries, and prominent voluntary organizations of the concerned state. All nominations should be handled by the Secretary, Health and Family Welfare of the concerned state except central government institutions, autonomous organizations. Central government institutions like universities, paramilitary forces, military nursing forces, AIIMS, ESI, railways and ordnance factories, etc. may directly send the applications to the Indian Nursing Council, that is INC, through the head of institutions. Application in the prescribed proforma should be accompanied by 2 passport size photographs. Second thing, biodata with qualification and registration certificates, summary of achievements, and documents in support thereof as desired in the criteria. Draft citizen not exceeding 1 page. Application duly recommended and complete in all respects should be sent to the President, Indian Nursing Council, 8th floor, NBCC Center, plot number 2, Community Center, Okhla Phase 1, New Delhi 110020. Application received after the last date will not be entertained. Criteria for selection of nurse educator or nurse researcher. Supportive documents required for all criteria mentioned below. First, educational qualification. Additional educational qualification beyond essential requirement for his or her job, that is, nurse educator or researcher. Essential requirement: minimum BSc for tutor and MSc for lecturer. Additional qualification by undergoing courses for more than 6 months relevant or beneficial to nursing practice or education or research. Qualification certificates to be enclosed. Second, years of experience in teaching. Appointment letters to be enclosed. Third, special contributions as nurse educator. Development or initiation of innovative methods of curriculum implementation such as teaching methods, educational media, or teaching materials, and assessment or evaluation of students at the undergraduate and postgraduate levels, demonstrating excellent teaching skills and recognized by appreciation letters or awards, exemplary contribution to students through mentoring and providing career guidance and counseling to students beyond work schedule or volunteer services or worked during natural disaster calamities, health camps. develop or implement or participate in preparation of short-term courses for in-service or continuing education, integrating innovative teaching strategies and evaluation methods. Preparation, teaching manual or educational film or publications that is accepted and used beyond his or her educational setting and brings recognition to the organization which pays his or her salary. Textbook, single author, author of chapters, research articles, nursing, health related articles, independent or collaborative research. Fourth, organizer or resource faculty or paper presenter, that is conference, seminar, workshop. Organizer, local or state level. Organizer, national or international level. Resource faculty or presentation, local or state level. Resource faculty or presentation, national or international level. Supportive documents in Hindi or English translated version. If it is in local language certificates also to be enclosed. Fifth, contributions as member or office bearer in professional organizations or statutory bodies or accrediting agencies, etc., local or state level, national or international level. Sixth, recognition or awards received, local or state level, national level, international level. Copy of certificates to be enclosed. Seventh, working in tribal or remote area or difficult area. Working with tribal community in remote areas where no or less transport, electricity and basic amenities are available. Difficult areas such as traveling by foot or boat for long distance to reach people for providing service. Certified by competent authority. In the absence of certified copy of competent authority, place of posting will be considered. If local language certificate like Tamil, Punjabi, Malayalam, Haryanvi, Telugu, Bihari, Kannada, etc. should translate certificate to English or Hindi language must attach with local language certificate with applications also. We are nurses, proud to be a nurse. For more nursing related knowledge and practical skills and positive attitude, updates information, just one click our website www.wearenurses.org. Thank you for watching this video. For more nursing knowledge trending video, please subscribe our channel We Are Nurses, proud to be a nurse, and waiting for your lovable likes and share and comments. Thank you respected all my dear family nurses.